How to change DoorDash location. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change DoorDash location on your DoorDash app. So to get started, first off, you want to figure out if the location you're in has DoorDash available. And once that's confirmed in your new area, you can immediately dash now or schedule a dash without making any changes on your Dasher app. If on the other hand, you want to dash in a completely new area, you can automatically update your dashing location right in the Dasher app. To update your dashing locations, you need to first open up the Dasher app and tap on Dash Now. You'll see a pop-up confirming that you would like to dash in your new location. Click OK, as you can see here, and it will change your dashing location to allow you to start the dash. If it's not available, wait until Dash Now is available in the area. Navigate to the starting point where Dash Now is available, and then click Dash Now. Click OK in the pop-up that asks if you want to switch to your dashing location. And that is how you change your location on DoorDash.